Welcome back to 4K Tech. Today's a review just on the Mars landing solar Bitcoin miner. This thing's about between $480 and $500 online. I opened the box. It came with a little USB fan for free, a little Bitcoin, fake Bitcoin, pretty cool. And then I just set it up over here. He's mining right now, looking for the blockchain. Right now, the blockchain pays out, I think, at 6.5 Bitcoin, which is valued around $300,000. But it's a lotto, and it's just a fun little gadget that just is going to sit here and just pretty much work for me. It's about 17 watts. It doesn't take up any electric. It's probably like $2 a month just to run this thing. But anyway, don't you like it? Looks pretty cool. Oh yeah, it also comes with the remote control to change the different colors on it. Pretty neat. Little fun thing here. I like it on like fade. Changes the colors. The case is pretty cool too. I think they did this all on a 3D printing machine. I think it's hashing at 200 now, maybe? I don't know. No, yeah, 240, yeah. So that's pretty cool. I've seen some hash at 290. So we'll see what happens. Anyway, thanks for viewing.
Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications.